Sir Sim Fubara, Grand Service Star of River State, beloved of the people of the state.
Sure.
His Excellency the Governor is accompanied by the special guest of honor, His Excellency the Right Honorable Sheriff Oboriwori, Governor of Delta State. Also on His Excellency's entourage is Dr. Sam Jaja, former Vice Chairman, People's Democratic Party.
Sure.
His Royal Father, His Royal Majesty, King Danderson Douglas Jaja, Jackie the Fifth, Amanabo for Popo, as well as Chief Ambrose Musi, and other elder statesmen present. His Majesty King Dr. Danderson Douglas Jaja, CFR, DSSRS, JP, Jackie the Fifth, Amanabo, Treaty King, and natural ruler of Opobo Kingdom. His Royal Highness Eze Christopher Didier, JP, Nyeweli, Egbeda, and Ubimini. His Majesty King Dr. Ateke Michael Tom, JP, Amanabo of Okochiri Kingdom, Sekuro of the Niger Delta, and Besepuko of Wakrika Nation. Elder statesmen present, special advisors, permanent secretaries, chairmen of commissions, boards, agencies, and parastatals, religious and community leaders, women and youth groups, gentlemen of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you all to the commissioning of internal roads in Egbeda, Emohua local government area by His Excellency Sir Sim Fubara, Grand Service Star of River State, Governor of River State, accompanied by the special guest of honor for today, His Excellency the Right Honorable Sheriff Oboriwori, Governor of Delta State. As we continue the events for today, may I please invite His Royal Highness Eze Christopher Didier, JP, Nyeweli, Egbeda, Ubimini, to present Kola, accompanied by other chiefs.
Meka, look at Canary, Edja, Wake, Edging one Nubeke. Edgy Suko, one Alia. Akoga Edgy Hata. Okwidri Lucky do Jala. Hobla Gitchogan or why, Edohua. I'm daddy, I'm maybe a move in Nak and go maker. Ha, give me Hata.
A round of applause once again for the Permanent Secretary, River State Ministry of Works. May I now call on the Chief Executive Officer, Monia Construction Company Limited, the distinguished Senator John Adzutambata, to speak further on the project.
Your Excellency, the Governor of River State, Your Excellency, our distinguished guest, Governor of Delta State, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor, may I humbly observe all other protocols. My assignment is to say thank you to the Governor and the government of Rivers State for giving us the honor and the privilege to do this work. And I do so on behalf of the board, management and staff of Monia Construction. This project typifies His Excellency's commitment to development of new towns and urban development round and about the whole state. Let me point out that this project has cured the perennial flooding problem within this community. And we're so gracious and thankful to His Excellency for that singular feat, which has been a major problem within the community. Having said so, Your Excellency, let me further put on record our commitment to continue to work for the progress of Rivers State. We remain committed to doing whatever assignments that are given to us diligently, on budget and on time. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Come by turn. Make you better to the Buddha. Humble yourself, for no one knows tomorrow. If you get the money, accommodate your good friends. Seek out the sheep, iPhone is cost. iPhone CD the seeker. Now come by turn. Make you better to the Buddha. Humble yourself, for no one knows tomorrow. If you get the money, accommodate your good friends.
Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, with the deepest humility, I am pleased to invite a leader who leads by example, a man whose demonstration of leadership and love is acknowledged in every local government area that he has been to. A leader who strives to better the tomorrow of Rivers people with each and every project that he commissions or flags off. It is indeed a pleasure to invite to present his speech the Governor of Rivers State, His Excellency, Sir Sim Fubara, Grand Service Star of Rivers State.
Now come by turn. Make you better to the Buddha. Humble yourself, for no one knows tomorrow. If you get the money, accommodate your good friends. Seek out the sheep, iPhone is cost. iPhone CD the seeker. You may sit down, please. Your Excellency, our special guest of honor, my dear brother, Right the Honorable Sheriff Oburuwari, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of our dear state, Your Excellency, the former Deputy Governor of Rivers State, Engineer Tele Ekru, Right the Honorable Speaker of the Delta House of Assembly, distinguished senators that are here, members of the House of Representatives, our elders, both of Rivers and Delta, our traditional rulers. Let me, because of time, and also this
very harsh weather that we're all managing, laying on the well-established protocol by the umpire. I want to first of all thank the Almighty God for this very special day, because without him, it wouldn't have been possible. I want to thank also the contractor, the chairman of the board of MCC, who have shown so much support in the course of our administration. There is one thing in awarding a job, another is delivering on record time. I want to appreciate the contractor for standing by his words. Let me also thank the great people of Egbeda, in extension, the Emohua local government area, for your support before the election, during the election, as well chronicled in the record that was read by your spokesman here. And after the election, you have shown so much support. And for us, what do we owe you? We owe you the dividend of democracy. And what is the dividend of democracy? Service to our people. We are just starting, I can assure you that. And if in 4 months we can do this, and we are getting this level of applause, you can imagine what will happen when we do 1 year of our record time, 2 years of our record time. I mean, River State will have experienced something different from the regular governance. Let me say just a few things about this project. The Permanent Secretary has explained the nature of the project before we came in and what happened after we came on board. Is to tell the world that our concern remains the welfare of the people. There is nothing wrong in building a road. There's nothing wrong in promising to develop an area. But what is important is when you want to do those things, do it to the satisfaction of the people. And what we have done here in Egbeda today is not just building an internal road for you, but meeting your needs, solving your problem, your flood problem. That is what we have done. So I want to also thank you for your support, because you cooperated with the contractor. That is why he delivered on record time. I've heard your requests. You want an extension of the other side of the road? We're going to do it for you. You want an upgrade of your school? I will come for a town meeting for that one. I'm not going to decide on that today. I will come for a town meeting, town hall meeting, and we'll discuss. And whatever it is you need, after consulting with all of you, we will grant your request. Thirdly, you also mentioned about your school. We are going to upgrade the school. But we are not going to make it a boarding school, because you all know the situation of our country. This is a local place, a village, community that you're managing. Putting a boarding school here is creating problem, not just for the government, but also for the locals. So they will upgrade the school to a standard school, but not with boarding facility. You are aware that even the ones we've done before, they are not functioning. I'm a pragmatic person. We'll go for what we know that is operational. So the school, go and rest. We're going to do it. but we're not going to take the burden side. Let me assure everyone, more especially the good people of Emohua, the Egbeda community in particular, the Royal Highness, especially for your love for our administration. I want to assure you that we'll protect you. Don't be scared. By the special grace of God, we still have all it takes to decide what happens. We'll protect you for your position today. We'll protect you for your position tomorrow. For our traditional rulers that are here, I want to appreciate you for working with us, joining with us all through the 23 local governments in this journey of showcasing the activity of our administration in 4 months. And when I use the word 4 months, I know why I said 4 months. We started full governance in the month of February. That was when we started taking decision, when we started confronting governance. And I'm proud to say that our people are happy with what we have done. So our leaders, our traditional leaders, don't be worried. We all have your back. We'll continue to watch, protect, and defend you. Don't be scared of any rumor you're hearing. What we want to do for our people is to bring governance to our people. Service delivery at record time and cost effective. Note the word, cost effective. Everything we are doing is in my white paper. I carry it along. So there's no issue of any manipulation. Call me any day, anytime is there. Even the one I did before this time, I still have all the records. If you call me any day, I'll bring the record of all my activities in government. Because I know that as a civil servant, what is most important is record keeping. So that if you're not there and something happens, it's just for somebody to take up a file and you'll see the history. That is how I'm trained, and I have that in my mind before I do anything. So I'm not scared of anything. Anybody who calls me up any day, anytime, I have my record to show. I have all the approvers to show that I acted based on approval and not personal decision. So let me thank you again for your support. You've been here since 11 o'clock. I want to appreciate you and let you know that we are not going to rest until we make everyone happy in Rivers State. For the community, I think the government allows me to be a farmer. So I think when I leave here now, I will start farming. Since you're giving me over 200 plots of land. So I want to thank you for that gift. I accept it not because I'm over happy. Will I say you're compelling me to take it? No. I'm accepting it because I see it as a gift of love that is coming from a community that is showing appreciation for what we have done for them. We're going to keep it and decide on what we're going to do with it. Maybe government will decide on doing a project in that land for the well-being and the good people of Egbeda community. Let me, on this note, because the details, much have been said about this project, so I don't need to bore you with all the other money matter, no money matter, the length of job, the kilometer covered. The permanent secretary has done justice to that. Let me call our brother who decided to honor us, to come talk to us and commission this project to the glory of God. Thank you, and God bless you all.
The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here.
Thank you very much. Please sit down. Your Excellency, Sir Sim Fubara, GSSROS, Governor of Rivers State. Her Excellency, Professor Mrs. Ngozi Udu, the Deputy Governor of Rivers State. His Excellency, Engineer Tella Iku, former Deputy Governor of Rivers State, members of the National Assembly here. Let me also specially recognize my speaker, the speaking speaker of the Delta State House of Assembly, and other members of House of Assembly that are here, former senators that are here, head of service, members of the Assembly Council, including my team that came with me from Delta State. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, my dear good people of Rivers State, I'm here happy to be here in your midst today to commission the Egbeda Committee Eternal Roots, as executed by my brother, Governor Sim Fubara. As I was coming, we were driving past through the road, and when I asked, they said this road was constructed by indigenous contractor, a son of the soil. This road project at Egbeda bears true testimony to the commitment of the Rivers State government towards fulfilling its promise of sustainable infrastructural development of the state. It is reassuring that these all-season roads will economically empower not only the people of the Egbeda community, but the entire Emohua local government area of Rivers State. It is worthy of note that this project was initially meant to cover 9.321 kilometers, but later extended by 12.128 kilometers, bringing its total length to 21.449 kilometers. It is of interest to note that this project was completed within 8 months when the governor assumed office. It covers tars, culverts, and drainages, not just only the road, including culvert and drainages. This is a clear manifestation of the administration of Governor Sim Fubara's seriousness commitment to the infrastructural development of the state and the economic well-being of its citizens. With this road, the people will now enjoy better socio-economic empowerment and integration within the local government and the rest of the states. My charge to you people is to continue to maintain this road. You know, this period, few months from now, the rain will start, and instead of you dumping refuse on the drains will not be good. It will block all the drains. Then it will lead to flood. So I plead with you to keep this road clean, all the drainages clean. Let me thank you for your support to my brother. What I have seen here, people have been here since 11 a.m. This is organic love. It's not a borrowed crowd. It's not a place you come and mobilize, a village setting. But you can see, as I was coming, I saw all the crowd. I saw the traditional rulers well seated. This is real organic. And I thank you for the support that you have given to my brother. And I promise you, it will not fail you. Peace will return to Rivers State. The significance of my presence here shows our deep friendship and brotherhood. For me to come all over from Delta State, we are all one in this region. It shows a great relationship, that we have a very good relationship. It's point to start to the fact that as a state, we are supportive of our brother state in the South-South region. And our unity as a region is as strong as ever. We are united in this region and will continue to unite ourselves and continue to do well for our people. This is one of the most rich regions. We are the one producing the wealth of this nation. There's no reason why we will not give ourselves, our people, development. What they want is development. And this is dividend of democracy. My brother, I thank you for what you have done. And I'll be following all the things you have been doing for the past few days. And I know more will be coming to Rivers State. Once again, I thank all of you for coming and for all the support you have given to my brother. It is now my honor to step forward to commission this Egbeda internal road.
There you heard the governor of Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Obarowari, commending Governor Sim Fubara for being there for Rivers people.